Namaskaram. A very happy Ratha Saptami to everyone. Today, I would like to sing and explore the Sahitya of the Navagraha Kriti on Surya by Muthuswami Dikshitar Garu in the Ragam Saurashtra. Muthuswami Dikshitar Garu has composed Navagraha Kritis on all the Navagrahas Surya, Chandra, Angaraka, Buddha, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Rahu, Ketu. While there is an ocean of knowledge, if one wants to dig deep into the Jyotish Shastra, there are these kritis, when rendered and listened to, is believed to bring positive changes in one's life. Also, I believe it's always fascinating to see how our ancestors have viewed the energy systems around us and linked it to our own energy systems. And what else is a better way than knowing these facts through these kritis? Let us begin. सूर्यमूर्ते नमोऽस्तुते सुन्दर छायाधिपते सूर्यमूर्ते नमोस्तुते सुंदर छाया अधिपते सूर्यमूर्ते हे सूर्य नमोस्तुते I bow down to you Sundara Chaya Adhipate Chaya is the shadow Chaya Adhipate without sun there is no shadow he is the one who rules the shadow Karya Karanatmaka Jagat Prakasha Simharasyaadhipate कार्य कारणात्मक जगत प्रकाशक सिंहराष्ट्राधिपति कार्य कारणात्मक he is the cause and the effect he is why we do anything and everything jagat prakashaka the one who lights up the entire earth simharasyaadhipati the lord of the simharasi the leo zodiac आर्यविनुत तेजस्फूर्ते आरोग्यादिफलद कीर्ते आर्यविनुत तेजस्फूर्ते आरोग्यादि फलद कीर्ते आर्यविनुत the one praised by the Aryas are considered to be the noblemen tejaspurte full of brightness arogyadi phalada kirte the one who yields benefits like good health obviously sunlight is a natural healer and immunity booster our immune system the entire energy system it works proportionately with how much sunlight we take and now we come to Charanam. Sarasamitra Mitra Bhano Sarasamitra Mitra Bhanu Sarasa is lotus, the one born out of a sarasu. He is the friend of the lotus. Without he rising, the lotus would never bloom. Mitra, again referred to as Mitra, the friend of the world. Bhanu, Bhatiti Bhanuhu, the one that shines. Sahasrakirana Karna Suno Sahasra Kirana Karna Sono. The one with thousands of rays is Sahasra Kirana. Karna Sono, the one whose son is Karna. Krura Papa Hara Krishano. Krura Papahara Krishano, the fire that destroys deadly sins. I see this as the light that dispels the darkness, the ignorance in us. Guru Guhamodita Swabhalo Guruguha Modita Swabhanu. Guruguha is the signature of the Muthuswami Dikshitar. Guruguha Modita, the one who is pleased by, the one who delights Guruguha. Swabhanu, the self-luminous one. Swaprakashaka, Swabhanu meaning the same. Suri Janedita Sudinamane. Suri Janedita, the one sung by the wise. Sudinamane, he is considered as the jewel of the daytime. Somadi Graha Shikhamane. Somadi Graha Shikhamane. Soma is Chandra. Somadi is all the grahas including Chandra. Among all the other grahas, Shikhamani, he is considered, Surya is considered as the supreme one. Dhirachita karma sakshine. Dhirachita karma sakshine. Dhirachita. Dhira is brave and valiant. The one worshipped by the brave. Karma Sakshine. Here in the Dhira Archita, you can see that he is worshipped, he is the Guru of Hanuman. Also, he is the Raghuvamsha. The Raghuvamsha itself came from the Surya, the one worshipped by the brave. Karma Sakshine. He is the witness of all actions. Whatever we do is under the sun. He is the Sakshi to all our karmas. दिव्यतारसप्तश्वरधीने Divyatara Saptashvaradhine. Sapta Ashvaradhine. The one who is on the chariot with Sapta Ashvas. Saurashtrarna Mandratmane Sauvarna Swarupatmane. Saurashtra Mantratmane Sauvarna Swarupatmane. Saurashtra Mantratmane, the one who is the personification of the 8-lettered solar mantra. This is what is listed down in the blog that gave the lyrics. But when I looked at what mantra it could be, there is a Surya Gayatri mantra, which is Om Adityaya Vidmahe Divakaraya Dhimahi Tanno Surya Prachodayat. This could be the mantra that is referred in the Kriti, but I'm not exactly sure if this is right. Sauvarna Swarupatmani. Sauvarna is Suvarna, the golden hue, the one whose form is golden. Bharatisha Hariharatmane. Bharatisha is Brahma. Bharatisha. Hari is Vishnu. Hara is Shiva. He is Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, as they represent the 3 elements of nature within us, that is Sattva, Tamas and Rajas. Bhukti Mukti Vitaranatmane. Bhukti Mukti Vitaranatmane. Bhukti is satisfaction, experiencing fruits of one's own actions. Mukti is liberation. He is the bestower of Bhukti and Mukti. While these are literal meanings that we have discussed, we all know that life sustains on earth because of sun. He is the God that we see every day, and he is the source of energy. Ratha Saptami marks the transition of seasons from winter to spring. And I believe this Kriti by Muthuswami Dikshitar has captivated the essence of the Supreme Navagraha, the Lord Surya. For a continued listening of the entire Kriti, you can refer to a different video which is listed down in the description. Wishing you all a very happy Ratha Saptami. Namaskaram.